Do you know where your children are?
Right now on the 10 o'clock news.
Well, the Delta variant derailed back-to-school plans. New York State issuing new guidelines.
It's after 10 p.m. Do you know where your children are?
Right now on the 10 o'clock news.
Well, the Delta variant derailed.
Right now on the 10 o'clock news.
Well, the Delta variant derailed back-to-school plans. New York State issuing new guidance today, while Mayor de Blasio says the city will have no remote option this school year.
The 10 o'clock news.
Well, the Delta variant derailed back-to-school plans.
Your children are.
Right now on the 10 o'clock news.
Well, the Delta variant derailed back-to-school plans. New York State issuing new guidance today, while Mayor de Blasio says the city will have no remote option this school year. Plus, racing for another day of brutal heat. Friday will once again see temps in the 90s, but it will feel more. School plans. New York State issuing new guidance today, while
Oh my
Mayor de Blasio
goodness.
says the city
Ryan
will
Field?
have no remote option this school year.
Jacob. Oh, Steve Lacy, Ryan Field. You like Steve Lacy? I saw earlier on the 10 o'clock news from Fox 5. It's the 10 o'clock news earlier tonight.
7 people rushed to the hospital tonight after a lightning strike at Orchard Beach. That lightning was from a fast-moving storm that blew through earlier tonight.
Now at 11, we are following breaking news in the Gabby Petito investigation. Federal agents just swarmed her fiance's home in Florida, and we're there live. And more breaking news. This had a wet. Her fiance's. Now at 11, we are following breaking news in the Gabby Petito investigation. Federal agents just swarmed her fiance's home in Florida, and we're there live. And more breaking news. This out of Westchester County. We're live at the scene of a chemical spill at a local gym. We'll get to that in a moment. Thank you so much for joining us on this Petito investigation. Federal agents just swarmed her fiance's home in Florida, and we're there live. And more breaking news. This out of Westchester County. We're live at the scene of a just swarmed her fiance's home in Florida, and we're there live. And more breaking news. This out of Westchester County. We're live and we're there live. And more breaking news. This out of Westchester County. We're live at the scene.
Oh my goodness.
At a local gym. We'll get to that in a moment.
Adam Kuperstein, Ryan Field. I saw it in the 5 o'clock show for New York today.
She's the 22-year-old from Long Island who disappeared on a cross-country trip with her fiance, and right now, Now at 11, we are following breaking news in the Gabby Petito investigation. Federal agents just swarmed.
Sergeant accused of assaulting.
Putting the pressure on, the NFL threatens forfeited games for unvaccinated
You know what?
players who cause a COVID outbreak.
But first, what set him off? An NYPD sergeant accused of assaulting suspects. Good evening, I'm Maurice Dubois.
And I'm Christine. Unvaccinated players who cause a COVID outbreak.
But first, what set him off? An NYPD sergeant
Oh my
accused of assaulting
goodness.
suspects. Good evening, I'm Maurice Dubois.
And I'm Christine Johnson. We begin with the late unvaccinated
Oh my
players who cause a COVID outbreak.
I'm Maurice Dubois, Ryan Field. Oh, I was like the Adam.
Good evening, I'm Maurice Dubois.
And I'm Christine Johnson. We begin with the latest on that sergeant who entered a not guilty plea today in state Supreme Court.
He left last week's game with a forearm injury, but head coach Robert Sala.
Now at 11, we are following breaking news in the Gabby Petito investigation.